step is your boy Arius West. You can call me Arius. It's like Darius without the D, or Aquarius without the aqua. You get it. Just don't call me Aries. Alright? It's Arius. Anyways, I want to remind you guys while you are here to watch my show. It is based in dance. I think it is one of my strongest suits, and I want to share that with you. Now, it doesn't matter what your level is or how well you can dance. I am, though, targeting beginners. So if you've never danced before, or if you kind of got some experience and you want to learn some more things that you can use while you're dancing, this is where you need to be. Now, if you've never danced before, or you don't know how to dance, or you don't got rhythm, how are you supposed to be able to do any of the stuff I'm about to teach you? Well, I think where we should start is with the music. So, let's identify the beat. Now, when you're identifying the beat, it's always going to have a steady tempo. Whether it's fast, whether it's slow, it's always going to be some kind of tempo to that beat. And the first thing you need to know while identifying the beat is that dancers can only count to 8. So everything that you count to, or when you're listening to the beat, is only going to go to 8. Now, while identifying the beat, there's going to be 2 things you're looking for: the downbeat and the upbeat. And remember, there's always a steady pace. So if you want to just kind of set your hand here like a table and take your finger while listening to music, you'll tap your hand on the downbeat and your finger will go up on the upbeat subconsciously. So while listening to music, you'll find the beat by going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Again, dancers can only count to 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that you've identified the beat, let's put some dance moves to it. But wait, you're a beginner, or you've never danced before and you don't know how to do anything to a beat that you've just found? This is where you're wrong. Now, there are 2 textures that you can use when you're dancing after identifying the beat. Now, what is the texture? Well, first off, when you're listening to a song, whether it's hardcore metal or rap or R&B or some kind of soft music, it always has a vibe, whether it makes you want to feel like you're in love, or you might be angry at the world, or you're going through a heartbreak. It's going to give you some kind of feeling. Now, this feeling is going to make your body move naturally. Whether you know how to dance or not, your body is going to go, or it's going to want to go, ooh, ooh, ooh. Now, if you get those 2 different feelings, those are already the textures of the song. You probably didn't catch that. I said, ooh, ooh, ooh. Those are your 2 textures. You're going to have sharp and you're going to have smooth. Now with sharp, after identifying the beat, is usually on the down beat. 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3. Let's see if I can put some sharp moves to that. 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7. Now, the other one, smooth, is usually kind of more to groovy songs or R&B slow songs. That's another texture. Smooth. You want to smooth it out after identifying the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, smooth, it kind of goes through all of the numbers. Again, we can only count to 8. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You might hit an accent, meaning the downbeat. 1, 2, but you're still being smooth in your texture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. See how I'm being smooth? See how to be smooth? 2 textures again. Sharp and smooth. All right, let's review. 1, you can identify the beat. with your boy Arius. Oh, and by the way, before you go, if you like this very nice shirt that you see here on my beautiful back, you can purchase it at brownSkinApparel.com. Again, that is brownSkinApparel.com. We also have an Instagram if you would like to follow us at brownSkinApparel on Instagram. And it is a black-owned business, clothing brand company that my big sister owns. She is one of my biggest inspirations today. I said one of. There are many, so nobody get jealous. But, again, if you liked it, you can purchase it. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. I'll catch you guys out